Hey there, what is up everyone? I hope you're doing great today. In this video, I want to show you the best two methods to transfer data from a Mac to another Mac. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you the two best methods to transfer data over from one Mac to another Mac. I just got this new iMac here, so I'm going to be transferring over everything from my older iMac to the new iMac. I'm going to show you two methods to do it. The first method is if you only want to transfer over some data. So that's why for the first method, I'm going to show you how to just manually transfer everything over so that you can pick and choose what you want to transfer over. But if you want to transfer over everything and make your new iMac exactly the same as your old iMac, settings, and transfer everything over, even junk files and all that, if you don't care about that, then I'm going to show you the second method, which is going to be with Migration Assistant. And all you're going to have to do is have both Macs connected on the same Wi-Fi network, and it will transfer completely everything over to the new Mac. All right, so let's jump right in. So the first method is to manually transfer over all files, or the files that which you prefer. So we're going to do this with a external hard drive or pen drive like this. You can get a USB with memory, or you can use an external hard drive like this. I have this Western Digital MacBook. Here is the USB 3.0 connector and the power outlet here. So any memory stick or external hard drive should work. So if we're using an external hard drive like this one, we're gonna have to go ahead and plug it into the electricity here, and then go ahead and plug it into your Mac. And then all you have to do is just go ahead and drag and drop the file into the external hard drive that you want to transfer over. Give it a few seconds or a few minutes and it will transfer the files to the drive. And then all you have to do is connect the drive to the new Mac that you're going to use and manually transfer the files over from the drive to the new Mac. Alright, so for the second method, you're going to open up the Spotlight search and type in Migration Assistant on both Macs. You can open up the Migration Assistant app. So once you have Migration Assistant open on both Macs, we're going to follow the prompts here, hit continue. It might ask you for your password if you have a password. Go ahead and type that in and continue. So on the next step, you're going to have to select here on both Macs where you want to transfer to and from. So on the Mac you want to transfer from, you're going to select here to another Mac. And on the Mac that you want to transfer to, you're going to select that you want to transfer from a Mac. So once you have the correct selections, hit continue on both, and it's going to search, the Macs are going to search for each other. So as you can see on the new iMac that I want to transfer to, my old iMac is popping up, so that's good. That means that it discovered the Mac that I'm going to be transferring from. So we're going to select it and hit continue. And then it's going to show you a code on the iMac that you're transferring to, so you can confirm it on the other iMac that you're transferring from. So it's just to verify that it's the correct computer is being connected. So once you verify that, hit continue and the transfer will begin. So on the Mac that you're transferring to, it's going to read all of the information that you want to transfer over from the older Mac, so that you can also pick and select what things you want to transfer over. Like for example, here it lets you choose from applications, documents and data, computer and network settings. So you can just select all three, or you can deselect whichever one you don't want to transfer over. So might take a few minutes depending on how much data you have, so that it can read the necessary storage size amount needed to do the transfer. So here you can click edit, and here it will select your username from your old iMac and all of the files and folders that you're going to transfer. So hit OK, select what you want to transfer over. There it's going to give you the file size amount, and hit OK, and then go ahead and hit continue. It's going to ask you for your password. Type that in and hit set password. Hit continue. Then it's going to give you this option right here, so you can replace the user, and then it's going to ask you to authorize transferring over all of the info, and it's going to ask you for the password for your current Mac now. So type that one in. And once you're done, hit continue. And there you go, the transfer process will begin. So now you just have to sit back and wait. Alright everyone, so those were the two best methods to transfer over from one Mac to another Mac. So hope that video helped you out. Go ahead and give it a like. And that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video. And as always, peace. Ciao.